Hey everybody, and welcome to Monday Movement, where I'm going to show you one fascia maneuver that you can start doing today and reap the benefits. So this one's going to be called the wrist release. This is ideal for anyone that is working with their hands all day. Perhaps you are working with machinery, anything at all that you're working, utilizing your wrists and hands. So let's jump right in. What you're going to actually do is put your left hand straight out, take your right hand, you're a few inches above it, and you're going to actually pull the skin towards you. See how I pull that in and towards me? And then I'm going to turn my left hand, wrist, right over. So you notice it's just turning it over. And you're going to hold that, lock that in place. From here, you can take 6 breaths in through the mouth and out through the mouth. And ideally, I'll show you a tip here to really improve this as well. You want to actually be rotating your wrist as you're moving and holding. That way you really release the fascia in that area. One more for 6. So let's now, to balance off, let's do the right one as well. So you're going to put your hand straight out, take your left hand, and about a few inches above the wrist, you're going to grab here and pull towards you and rotate the wrist right over. You notice that? So pull towards you and then rotate it over, and you can already start turning the wrist. 6 breaths in through the mouth and out through the mouth as well. You can squat, stand, and turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Amazing. I can feel the difference already right there. So give it a try any point in the day. I like to do this one once a day if I can and remember to do it. So leave a comment down below and I will see you next week.